action underway. Truly one of the hallmarks of sports entertainment.
That's right, Cole. And as a former tag team champion myself, I have to say these matches hold a special place in my heart.
Launched with a belly-to-belly.
Gets the tag. Placed in the corner. Knife edge chop echoing through the arena. Whack!
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Oh, hanging on for dear life. That was a powerbomb with one message in mind. Absolute destruction. You're going to need your back adjusted after that one.
The damage he's taken is starting to pile up. Oh, he knew what was coming. Michinoku driver.
He's burying elbows in the midsection.
Catapulting down on the opponent. He's going for the pin. This could be it. Absolute power.
No way. No way. I refuse to believe that wasn't 3. He's in a precarious situation.
Oh, did you hear that thud? Oh, he's got him by the leg.
The foot DDT.
Stomping down.
Hammerlock coming up.
DDT. This match's brutality starting to show on him.
Yeah, they stuck it out through this match, but it wouldn't hurt to go for the tag soon here. Flatliner. Yikes.
What are we about to see?
Oh, knee right to the hams.
Who won the race? Charlie's horse.
Moved at the right time. Set up. Powerbomb.
Tag made. Fresh man in.
Big knee to the midsection.
Inverted power slam.
Wow.
Right down on the skull.
Right in the mouth. Relentless.
Enough already.
Oh. Tagged in.
Looks like they're looking for him.
No! Forearm to the base of the skull.
Oh, man. Right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow. He's getting a little battered now.
Frankensteiner.
Uh-oh, hazardous part of town here on the apron.
Oh, DDT off the apron.
All measured up.
Drop kick to the back. And he gets set back into the ring. He made it. Tag made. Oh, wicked clothesline. Just pinning the arm down and then...
And a carefully measured knee drop.
He's absorbed some damage already. With the reversal. Boom!
Oh no, getting in position. What's he planning to do here?
The official asking him, is he going to tap? Is he going to tap?
Great wherewithal and power to escape. that turnbuckle.
He turns it around.
Oh, smash! Reversal after reversal. These two are ready for each other. Wow, net first.
Shoulders down. He keeps his team in the match. Sent crashing to the floor.
He's putting something together.
Oh, man, he is fired up now.
Oh, that'll turn your skin red. That's going to sting. He's got him close. And there's the cover. Now he's been put on the defensive.
He's still got life in this matchup. Drop kick. Oh, great height.
Lives to fight another day. Calf kick right on point.
Oh, caught a powerbomb.
Overhand chop into the barricade.
Look at this. Trying to shatter the ankle.
Assailing the joints of the leg.
And that attack could be devastating for him.
It'll be an arduous task for him to recover after tonight's battle.
Arm drag toss.
Gotta find a way back into the ring now.
Before the count runs out.
Oh, and he's back in, beating the count.
Uses an elbow to disrupt that attack.
The sound of this crowd is deafening, and he's asking for more. Targeting the neck. Neckbreaker.
Tagging his partner in now.
Skull rattling.
Hung out to dry. Critical time in the...
Somersault plancha to the floor. Just a devil-may-care attitude on full display.
Going for broke, and it pays off.
And now thrown back into the ring. Tagged in.
They go over. Standing Shiranui.
Will that be it? Will that be enough?
Punch right in the head.
He's ejected from the ring. Wicked clothesline. Will it be?
Think so.
No, stops the count at two.
I cannot believe what I'm seeing right now. No one can.
It's a knuckle driver. Wow. And look at this now. Yes, applies the submission hold.
Corks a thunderous chop. What a unique submission maneuver here. Look at the pain his opponent. Valiant effort, but he finally had to submit.
Wow, got it. Big time tag team win.
Here's a few clips from the last match for us.
Here are your winners, the Spitfire Warriors.
An emphatic victory for your winners. An impressive effort from this duo.
No frills, no gimmicks, just old school tag team excellence to get the victory.